Utilizing our RapidScan solution, we quickly generate a 3D digital copy of your building, capturing important site conditions and 360-degree panoramic images. This gives you and your project team an immersive, as-built 3D digital twin of your building via your web browser. The RapidScan service starts with our 3D solution specialists visiting your site for digital survey and data collection. 3D building data is quickly captured at a walking pace, typically 10 times faster than tripod-based scanning, reducing the on-site time needed. Survey control ensures data accuracy and allows for alignment to your project's local or global coordinates. Once the data is captured, our specialists compile the data to create your 3D virtual building that is delivered quickly, often in only a few days. Point cloud data is compatible with most BIM, CAD, and design software for creation of 2D floor plans and 3D models. This data is then assembled inside a cloud-based virtual project viewer to access your virtual building data and images. Anyone in your organization will be able to take accurate measurements, create geotag points of interest, and virtually tour the entire site using their web browser. Your project team can easily collaborate with cloud-based, up-to-date building data to discuss designs, ideas, and changes. With an add-in for Autodesk Revit, you can connect your BIM models to 360-degree immersive imagery and point clouds, allowing side-by-side comparison of the BIM model and the scanned state of the building. This lets users quickly spot changes that have been made since the model was created, helping to speed up the process of updating models. You always have full control and ownership over your data with secure password-protected access. With our partners, we can integrate mobile app turn-by-turn indoor navigation. This uses images and point clouds for precise location-based indoor routing without the need for unreliable Wi-Fi beacons or GPS signals.
SAM provides a host of value-added deliverables that include fast and accurate virtual construction monitoring, customizable data compatible with mainstream facility management systems, accurate interactive floor plans, and full integration with BIM workflows for faster and more accurate 3D model creation and validation. With 30+ years of combined industry experience, we have scanned over 30 million square feet globally and have a proven reputation as the managed geospatial solutions source you need. To learn what solutions are right for your program, contact Sam at sam.biz.